Hello, welcome friends. Thank you for subscribing and liking my videos. Today's another open house tour of a premier model home here in the village of Bridgeport at Lake Sumter. This is a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom home. It is a premier home. It does have a 2-car garage and a golf cart garage. Let's go inside and take a look. Welcome friends, thank you for joining, thank you for subscribing and liking my videos. This is a premier model home here in the village of Bridgeport at Lake Sumter. This is a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom home. It is a block and stucco home. It is located at 1275 Russell Loop here in the Villages, Florida. I will take a panoramic view of the street, and as you see, the street is pretty quiet. That is facing west, and that is facing east. Very quiet street. This home is located on a corner lot. You can see the corner lot right there. It does have a brick paver driveway. Let's walk up and take a look. You can see the 2-car garage and the golf cart garage there. As always, please contact the listing agent if you have any questions about this home. I will include the specification sheet and the listing agent contact information. As we walk up, you'll see the brick paver continues through the pathway and up into the front sitting area. Very beautiful home, very neutrally decorated. Let's go in and take a look at this home. Welcome friends, I'm standing here in the foyer area, and the first thing I notice are these large ceramic tile floors. Off to the right you will see the kitchen and a dinette area, and off to the left you will see a guest quarters with a sliding pocket door. This is an area that your guests could have to themselves for privacy. You'll see 2 bedrooms in this area, as well as a bathroom. Let's take a walk into this bedroom. It does have carpeted floors. Just for perspective, that is a king-size bed. To give you an idea of how large this room is, this room has very high ceilings with knockdown texture on the ceiling. Very nice, very neutrally decorated. You will see the casing is very high. It looks like it's 4 or 5 inch casing. Very nice woodwork throughout this home. Very high ceilings. This again would be a guest bedroom. Does have a closet, bifold doors on the closet. Let's take a walk into the guest bathroom area. You'll see the ceramic tile floors continue. Here would be the guest bathroom. It does have solid surface, single bowl sink. Very nice, very high ceilings. It does have a tub. It does have a tile shower surround as well. Let's take a look. Very nice and light and bright. It has a very large window in the shower area. Ceramic tile surround in that shower. Very nice. There is access to the bedroom, a guest bedroom, from the bathroom. So here is the guest bedroom. It's located in the front of the home. Very high ceilings with knockdown texture. Very large windows. Very nice, light and bright. This home. It does have carpeted floors. Very nice. It has a closet over there. Give you a different perspective on this room. The closet is there. It does have a sliding pocket door on the closet. Let's take a quick look at that. Sliding pocket door in the closet. It does have carpeted floors in the closet. Very high closet. Knockdown texture on the ceiling. Very high closet. Does have storage shelves up there as well. Let's take a walk through the rest of the home. Off into the kitchen area. Very nice. You can see the ceramic tile floors continue through the kitchen. Crown molding in this kitchen. Knockdown texture on the ceilings in this kitchen. Give you a panoramic view. Very nice woodwork in this kitchen. It does have a gas stove. And I will video the specification sheet. That is the dining area off beyond the kitchen. Very nice. Solid surface countertops. As always, please contact the listing agent. Her name is Alexa Anderson. That is her contact information. This is the spec sheet. This home is listed at $999,900. It is a Williamsburg premier model home located here in the village of Bridgeport at Lake Sumter. This is the specification sheet. If you have any questions, please contact the listing agent, Alexa. Here are the dimensions of the rooms. All right, let's take a look at the rest of the home. Panning around, we're in the kitchen looking at the living area and the dining area. It does have a double bowl stainless sink. Very nice, very neutrally decorated. The living and dining area does have carpeting. Very tall tray ceiling in that living room area with knockdown texture on the ceilings. And the showstopper is the nice swimming pool in the back. Very nice. Very neutral. Give you a perspective of the dining area and the living room area. This home is in very good condition, very neutral. Let's take a walk out into the swimming pool area. It does have a very large bird cage. Does have a water feature in the swimming pool. This is the lanai area. It does have an outdoor kitchen area with a fume hood. Very high ceilings with knockdown texture. Painted concrete floors. Very nice. Very, very nice. Those doors will lead into the master bedroom. We will take a look at that a little bit later. Very large bird cage over the swimming pool. This is a corner lot. That is your swimming pool there. That is your water feature. Let's take a walk out into the backyard. I believe that is a saltwater swimming pool. Please refer to the specification sheet if you have any questions, or contact Alexa, the listing agent. This is the side yard. That would be facing south. That would be facing west. This is the backyard. Very mature trees in the backyard. Let's continue through the rest of the home. Again, thank you for joining, everyone. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I do appreciate your comments. I try to answer all the comments. If you have any specific content you would like to see, just let me know. Next, we will go into the home and we'll take a look at the master bedroom. Here we are in the living and dining room area again. Give you a panoramic view. Very nice crown molding. Give you a panoramic view of the dining area. Crown molding continues. Let's take a walk through the rest of the home. And I'll go into the master bedroom and show you what that looks like. Here we are going into the master bedroom. It does have carpeted floors, very neutral paint, very high tray ceilings, really high tray ceilings. To give you perspective, that is a king-size bed, and you have adequate room on each side of that bed. Crown molding continues throughout. Has 2 windows in this master bedroom. Has French doors that lead out to the lanai area and the swimming pool area. Very nice, very awesome. Let's take a walk into the master bathroom area. That's what it looks like. The master bathroom area has a pass-through up there. Let's take a walk. It does have a closet on the left side with bifold doors. Very nice. It is a walk-in closet with very high ceilings, shelving unit, carpeted floors. It does have a closet on the right side as well. And that one is locked. I'll show you the closet door. It does have bifold doors as well. Crown molding continues. Knockdown texture on the ceiling continues. Here we are in the master bathroom. Beautiful tile floors. It has 2 sinks with a solid surface countertop. And this is the showstopper. Very large tub, ceramic tile. It has a separate commode room with a sliding pocket door. Awesome woodwork on the cabinets. There's your second sink. Let's take a walk. That is the commode room. It does have glass block window, very high ceilings, knockdown texture. That is the other side of the bathroom. That is your second sink. Very high ceilings throughout. It does have a walk-in Roman shower. Let's take a look at the walk-in Roman shower. That is tiled, tile floor, tile surround, very high ceilings, knockdown texture. Very nice Roman shower. This home is awesome. Let's take a walk outside and take a look at the garage area next and the laundry area. Here we're exiting the master bedroom. Off to the left, you'll see the laundry area. Has awesome white cabinets. Very bright in here. Recessed lighting. That door will lead out into the garage. Ceramic tile floors continue. This is the garage. These floors are painted or epoxied. Again, contact Alexa, the listing agent, if you have any questions about this. This side of the garage is the 2 cars. That other side over there is a golf cart garage, and as you can see, they have 2 golf carts parked over there. That is your golf cart garage. Behind those doors, I believe you will find your mechanicals. Very nice home, very good condition. This is a premier home. It's a Williamsburg model located here in the village of Bridgeport at Lake Sumter. Take another panoramic view off into the kitchen area. Panning over into the dining and the living room area. That is your foyer area. Very beautiful home. Let's take an exit outside the home. We'll walk back out to the street. You'll notice the brick paver patio and sidewalk, mature trees. Very beautiful home. Thank you for joining, everyone. Thank you for subscribing. I really do appreciate your support. If you have any questions, please leave comments on any video. I will answer all the comments. I'll give you one more last view of the home here at 1275 Russell Loop in the Villages, Florida. Very nice home. Take care, everybody. Thank you for joining, everyone. I hope you enjoyed today's tour of this premier model home. It's a Williamsburg model. It's block and stucco, located here at the village of Bridgeport at Lake Sumter in the Villages, Florida. Have a great day, everybody.